Gefen ToolBox products are flat, mini form factor HDMI distribution units that are designed for a clean, behind-the-scenes installation. Installing the Gefen ToolBox switch. The package includes the Gefen ToolBox unit, locking power supply, locking HDMI cables, an IR blaster, and IR remote with batteries. The switcher has one HDMI output and 4 HDMI inputs. It also features an IR port for the included remote, front panel switching button, and RS-232 for external control. Here's the IR blaster port as well as the locking power supply connector. Gefen ToolBox products can be installed in a variety of locations. Today, we will be installing the Gefen ToolBox 4x1 switcher into a conference room. Once we have found a suitable location for the install, we secure the unit with 6 screws. We now secure the cable connections. We connect our HDMI display to the output on the unit. We then connect the various HDMI sources. And finally, we connect our included IR blaster and the locking power supply. Once all the connections are made, we then apply power and test it out. Even though we are attaching this to a rolling cabinet for a conference room, these units can be used in a variety of situations. That concludes our installation of the Gefen ToolBox switch. For more information, please visit www.gefen.com.